Hey, my name is Max and I'm an engineering physicist here at Dcubed. I joined in summer 21 as part of my internship for the university and stayed after that as a working student. And as a student, I feel part of the team like everybody else, and that's something I really appreciate about Dcubed. I'm working in the production team, and besides of that, I'm also working on development and improvement of our test stands for the release actuators. It is absolutely amazing what the newspace movement has achieved in the last 3 years, and the prospects for the future are very promising, and I'm very happy to be a part of it. To have the opportunity to build mechanisms that fly into space and help our customers to reach their goal. And watching a rocket launch with your parts on it is such an amazing feeling. For this we have many events, such as getting together at the space bar once a week, or our launch parties when parts of us fly into space.